So, hi kids, here we have a very interesting question. So, let's get into the operation immediately, right? So, first of all, we know that this is the polynomial, okay, before us in terms of x except for one odd one out, correct? So, we will be using which theorem, okay, we'll get to know soon. So, by factor theorem, okay, we will be trying to solve this, and what we get to see is that x plus 1 happens to be one of the factor of this, correct? So, by factor theorem, x plus 1 is a factor. So guys, you have to write these steps, okay, so that your answer goes concrete. You can't avoid them. They are important. If p is, okay, minus 1 equals to 0. Got it? So the next step is, therefore what we get to see is keep p minus 1 will be stated as 0. And what is our p? This one. So, or x 140 plus 4 141 plus k equals to 0. Since our x is to be replaced by minus 1, 140, and we have, okay, 4 minus 1 over a power of 141 plus k equals to 0. We need to evaluate these two, correct? Now, I would like to say that 140 is an even power, whereas 141 an odd one. So, in rough column, minus 1, for example, minus 1 gives us a positive 1. Similarly, because minus 1 to the power 2, so minus 1 to the power 3 would give me a negative result. Okay, the product would be minus 1. The same principle we are going to use here. Okay, so let's have it. Okay, so for this we'll get 1. For this we'll have plus 4 and minus 1. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 141 will give me minus 1 plus k equals to 0. Got it? Let's solve this next. 1 minus 4. 4 into minus 1 is this. K equals to 0. Let's solve this. We get minus 3 plus k equals to 0. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Well, this is my answer. Alright? So, the value of k is this. Correct? So, I hope you people have understood. In case you have any doubts, please do write to me in the comment section. We'll appreciate. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this channel, do subscribe. I'll be grateful. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great day.